5 Best Multitools. The item number 5 is Leatherman, Wingman Multitool. The Leatherman Wingman is just that, your go-to tool for projects around the house, on the job, or at the campsite. A great, lightweight, pocket-sized, stainless steel tool, the Wingman features an outside accessible, one-hand opening blade and newly designed spring action jaws. The item number 4 is Tactical Pen Self-Defense Tool. This elegant pen is made for double duty. Use it daily as an extra safety layer for emergency. Premium design and high quality material. Ink cartridges dark black. Smooth writing. Won't bleed through. Germany imported smear-proof ink. Writes when wet. Ink quickly dries with a consistent ink flow. The item number 3 is Tactical Pen Self-Defense. This elegant pen is made for double duty. Use it daily as an extra safety layer for emergency. Premium design and high quality material. Ink cartridges dark black. Smooth writing. Won't bleed through. Germany imported smear-proof ink. Writes when wet. Ink quickly dries with a consistent ink flow. Note: Fisher Space Pen refill fits perfect. The item number 2 is Gerber Dime Multi-Tool. We took the standard keychain multi-tool and made it better. In addition to stainless steel pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flathead screwdriver, crosshead driver, tweezers and file, the dime includes a unique blade designed to safely cut and score plastic packaging and a bottle opener that is exposed even when the tool is closed. The item number 1 is Gerber Suspension Multi-Plier. Tough, reliable, and easy to handle, the Gerber Suspension Multi-Plier is engineered to tackle jobs in just about every situation you can imagine. Featuring a sleek butterfly design, durable stainless steel construction, and Gerber's patented SAF.T. Plus component locking system, this affordable multi-tool packs 11 convenient tools that will quickly prove indispensable.